So, ano ba kasi ang meron sa civil service examination, 'no? Ano yung mga benefits for for passing the civil service examination? Alam naman po natin that the Philippine government is the biggest employer in the country, 'no? Napakaraming employees ng Philippine government, and that is a must for for it to be able to deliver yung mga services para sa ating mga citizens. So, sa pag-apply po ng trabaho sa Philippine government, meron po tayong requirement at yun po yung civil service eligibility. Ano yung benefits mo pag nandiyan ka na sa gobyerno? Of course, security of tenure, sabi nila, job security, the opportunity for career growth, most especially kung meron ka ng CS professional, mayroong competitive salary. Halos every administration nagre-raise sila ng pay hike, di ba? Sa Philippine government. And that is even in tranches. There are 4 tranches of pay hikes sa gobyerno. Of course, kung meron kang eligibility, the higher chances for promotion, and hire ka na, nandiyan ka na sa government, there is a very, very solid retirement plan. Meron tayong GSIS sa civilian sector, APSAT naman sa, hindi, yung APSLAI naman sa Armed Forces, at PNP SLAI ata sa Philippine National Police. Meron ding salary increase, sabi natin kanina, and the perks and the bonuses. Maganda na ngayon kasi meron ng medical allowance, yung mga iba nga, rice allowance, and the full coverage of the PhilHealth program. Yun po naman. Meron tayong tinatawag nila na health insurance through the government's Philippine Insurance System. Yung sa PhilHealth po naman yun. Kasi automatic po, nagbabayad ka doon.